Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network.
You can't believe that a girl got you cruising. Close the door when you leave the house.
I think it's safe to say it is summer. And I did a what's in my bag video a while ago, but I wanted to do another what's in my bag video just because it's summertime and you know that one bag you've probably been carrying all winter, you want to change it out, and I don't know why, but bags always, I don't know. Comment below if you guys just accumulate a lot of stuffs in your bag. This is a mini, I'm gonna tell you the exact name of this bag. I got this bag off a Nordstrom rack when I was going to Jamaica to the Buju Banton show, and I really love it. See how small it is? It holds a lot of stuffs. I got it from Nordstrom rack. It looks black, but it's navy blue, and I love that because I can carry it with anything. You may have seen me in pictures with this bag. I carry a lot of things. I'm gonna tell you the name of this bag. Well, the brand is Persaman New York, and it's genuine leather. It's a Patrina leather mini convertible backpack, so it can go across my shoulder and I can carry it on my back, but I've never carried it on my back. It's always across my shoulder because that's more convenient to me. It was $114 at the time. Let's see if they still have it. Yeah, I don't know if they still have it, but I'll leave a link for this bag below. So let's just jump into what's in my bag. It's summertime. I want to clean out my bag. My bag have a lot of shit because I haven't decided yet if I want to use it for summer or I'm just gonna change up my bag. But either way, there are stuffs in this bag that I haven't seen in a while that I really like and I like using, and I want to find them. So let's go through my bag. The first thing here, I have a long ass Western Union receipt, and I have a garbage can right there, guys, so that's why I'm just dropping it there. It's not the floor. And then I have another receipt where I mailed something, and I think that already got there, so I'm gonna throw that away. And then I have empty plastic from tissue. I'm gonna throw that away. Of course you need your tampon. I have another receipt from Shopko. Oh my god, my bags, see, that's why I need to clean up my bags. They're filled with receipt, and apparently I didn't really finish that tissue. One piece fell out in the bag. And I have a receipt here from Walmart. I make a lot of trips to Walmart. I went and did my nails and I left with these, so I have these. I think I have 2 of them. More tissue. See how bored my bag is? I have a little card holder here. It's a fossil card holder and it's kind of unique. I got this a while back. It's genuine leather. I got it a while back. It was like $2 something I got when Herberger's out here was closing down. So I just housed like my driver's license, my cards, and all my cards and driver's license. I don't know if you've seen my previous what's in my bag video, but I always have these wet ones. I like these because, I don't know, I wouldn't say I'm a germaphobe, but trust me, there are a lot of dirty things. You just need wet wipes in your bag, disinfectant wipes. I think that's something good to invest in to keep in your bag. I have a glass cleaner, like for my sunglasses. It's just a piece of cloth. Usually it comes with the sunglasses. I have, what do you call these? Plackers. Some people call them flackers, some call them plackers, but I have plackers because my teeth are so close, and if I go somewhere and eat, usually stuff stick in my teeth, like especially if I eat meat. So another tampon, Awe Mango Maite, and it's antibacterial spray, and it's from Bath and Body Works. It's smell really good. Oh, I've been looking for this. I was actually looking for this today. I kind of wanted to do a shiny lip today. Let's put something on my lip today. See, that's another reason to go through your bags, because you find all the goodies, and believe me, This is one of them. This is my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. I love this one. Don't ask, oh, I was gonna say I have another antibacterial spray, but no, this one is fragrance mist. So I just walk with this just in case you get Blotterazzi by Beauty Blender. It's in a case like that, and it has a mirror, and it comes with a couple sponge. It comes with 2 sponge. So 1 comes with 2 sponge. So 1, 2, and they're divided by paper. So I guess you can just wash them. I've never washed them, but when I'm traveling, when my face get greasy, I get real greasy. So what I usually do, I usually just use it to blot my face. This is my Freedom Long Walk to Freedom armband that I got at Buju Show, and I wasn't saving it for no reason. That's how long I haven't gone in this bag from Buju Show. It had to burn off because it was too tight on my hand. So yeah, I'm gonna throw that away. I wasn't saving it for no reason. I have a buffer because sometimes your nails just chip. Don't ask me why. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes my nail will just chip for no reason. Oh, I did have my other Fenty Beauty in here. See, I have 2 Fenty Beauty lip gloss in here, and they're all different. So now these are the 3 that I have. 2 was in my bag and 1 sitting here, and my least favorite one was sitting here, and the other 2 was in my bag that I can't find. And they're so scratched up by the buffer. Oh, this is the other one for the foot thing. I polished my toes the other day. I didn't do a pedicure, I just polished my toes, and they gave me this, and I left with it in my toe. You have to have a pen so you can take those digits. Another tampon, because you can't just have one. More receipts, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they're not important. Shopco receipt. Oh, I have a Devon House receipt. Damn, I spent 5,350 Jamaican dollars at Devon House. 3 lobster patties and 3 shrimp patties. Oh my god, those. If you haven't tried Devon House lobster patty in Jamaica, make sure you try that. Those patties are so good. They're a little more expensive than the regular patties, but those patties are the bomb diggity bomb. This one is just a SPF 15 Palmer coconut oil formula lip balm. I have a $1 here. I have a Sharpie. I have all sorts of stuff. So what is this? These are just more receipts, I'm pretty sure. Oh, Bob Marley retail. I bought a t-shirt at the Bob Marley Museum, 29 US dollars. I don't even buy a t-shirt in America that expensive. 29 US dollars I bought a t-shirt for. Jade Garden restaurant where we went to eat. Oh, I remember I went here with my sister, my niece, and Peda. 4 of us went here. I don't even want to say how much. Let me say, this shit is $15,728.95 was the food. $15,728.95 we spent in food for 1, 2, 4 of us. Oh, that's the receipt because I run a card, so they give you a receipt with a card. More Bob Marley, $29.13. That was for another t-shirt. And I think this is just the cover for one of these things. And lighter. It's funny that I even got through immigration with this lighter because I had this lighter in Jamaica. I have my charger head. And then I have my earrings that I didn't know where they were. I didn't even remember them. I have Jamaican $5. This is Jamaica $5, guys. That's a Jamaica $5 coin. They used to have them in paper. I don't think they do anymore. And I have some quarters. Another $5 and another earring. And earring back. And I think that's all. See how many things hold in that bag? No, trust me. Don't sleep on this leather bag. It's genuine leather. Look at that bag. Do not sleep on this leather bag. It's genuine leather and it's a really nice bag. And the back is just like that. You can carry it this way as a backpack, but I've been carrying it this way. And then it do have a little outside pocket too. Let's see what in the outside pocket. Complete for service, then $20. I didn't even use this the other day. This is my nail thing. And I went the other day twice and I didn't use it. What the hell? I didn't remember that. And them Chinese people will even remind you to use it. They don't do nails good anyways. And then I have in the side more coins, Jamaican $10, paper clip. That paper clip was to open my phone. Those are all the things that was in this bag. Again, I'll link the name of the bag below. I had another bag here that I wanted to go through, so I'm like, why not just do two what's in my bag? So now this is what's in my gym bag. This is my gym bag. It's a little Adidas bag. I got this, I think, on Nordstrom, and it was like $25, but it's a real cute, nice little barrel bag, and it have this to carry across the shoulder. It has like an outside zip here. And in the outside zip, I have a pair of gloves for lifting because it's my gym bag. And I lift Tuesdays. I used to lift Tuesdays and Thursday, but now I start going either or either because I gained weight and I don't like to lift too much when I'm heavy. So I lift once a week, and I lift Tuesday already, so I didn't go lift today. This is my gym card, one of it that tore off. I'm just gonna put stuff back because I'm gonna use it. This again, this is just a, okay, this is not my gym water bottle, but I drink this thing. I got it at the dollar store. It's the aloe vera pure water mango zero, naturally flavored with other flavors. I don't know your naturally flavored with other flavors, but it's gluten-free, pure water, low sodium, vegan-free, fat-free. But I don't know, I don't think it's the healthiest thing. It came from the dollar store. Oh, it says 0 calorie. I didn't notice that because I think I drank one that said 60 calories. Water that they made it with wasn't really good water. It like it had perfume in the water. I don't know if you guys ever had like something get perfume on your finger and it get in your water and you taste it. It would taste good if it didn't have that little background taste of like perfume in the water. I was rushing because I was late, so what I did, I just put some regular water from my fountain in it, and I'm gonna just drink it and throw the bottle. I hope you enjoyed this video or this kind of video. You guys seem to like the first one. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah!
Close the door when you leave the house.